Vitamin B12 is one of those nutrients that, despite being essential for health, often goes unnoticed. The truth is that a deficiency of this vitamin is more common than you might think, especially among the elderly. As the years go by, the body starts to lose its ability to absorb B12 from food, which can lead to a series of health problems. In America, the situation is even more alarming, with studies showing that around 60% of the population may have insufficient B12 levels. This statistic is a real wake-up call for those concerned about long-term well-being. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a like, so you don't miss out on more valuable tips. Imagine a person who, throughout their life, has always maintained a healthy diet, but begins to feel constant fatigue with no apparent reason. They may not know it, but this symptom could be related to a vitamin B12 deficiency. This is especially concerning in a population that, for various reasons such as poor diet or health conditions, already tends to have low levels of this vitamin. In this context, it's crucial to be attentive to the signs your body gives you, because a lack of B12 can impact both physical and mental health. And don't think that this deficiency only affects the elderly. Although it's more common among them, younger adults, pregnant women, and even children can also suffer from a lack of B12. The situation is worsened by late or incorrect diagnoses, making it even more important to be informed about how to supplement adequately to prevent these problems. Therefore, it's worth following the next topics, where we will detail the main symptoms that may indicate this deficiency. Understanding the importance of vitamin B12 for your health and well-being makes it clear how essential it is to keep its levels balanced. Simply incorporating B12-rich foods into your routine can bring significant benefits, helping to prevent symptoms like fatigue and concentration problems. And if you want to keep exploring curiosities and practical tips to improve your health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way, you ensure you won't miss any relevant content. Oh, and if this video helped you, how about leaving a like and sharing it with those you care about? When vitamin B12 deficiency sets in, it can manifest in surprising ways that sometimes go unnoticed in our daily lives. Among the most common symptoms are muscle cramps that can appear without any apparent explanation, leaving a constant feeling of discomfort. Fatigue is another alarming sign, where even after a full night's sleep, the person wakes up without energy, as if something is draining their vitality. These symptoms are often mistaken for stress or a hectic routine, but the true cause might be a lack of this crucial vitamin. Additionally, pale skin is an important indicator to observe. People with vitamin B12 deficiency often exhibit a lighter, almost yellowish complexion, which can easily be mistaken for other health problems. Lack of coordination, affecting balance, and the ability to perform simple tasks is also a worrying symptom, especially for the elderly. When left untreated, this deficiency can progress and severely compromise quality of life, bringing even more challenges to daily well-being. Last but not least, persistent headaches and vision problems may be directly linked to a lack of B12 in the body. These symptoms, when not accompanied by a deeper investigation, end up being treated with palliative solutions like painkillers that mask the real problem. Identifying and treating B12 deficiency effectively not only improves overall health, but also prevents more severe complications in the future. And don't forget, as you continue exploring this relevant topic, consider subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing so you won't miss more valuable health and well-being tips. Now that you understand the importance of keeping your vitamin B12 levels up, how about exploring together some foods that can help your body obtain this essential vitamin? Don't worry, because what comes next could make a big difference to your health and well-being. And if you like discovering more about how small dietary adjustments can have significant benefits for your health, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-based foods. Here are some examples of foods rich in vitamin B12 that can help maintain adequate levels of this vitamin in the body. Liver and other organ meats. Liver, especially beef liver, is one of the richest sources of vitamin B12, fish, and seafood. Fish like salmon, tuna, trout, sardines, and shellfish are excellent sources of vitamin B12. Red meat, beef, lamb, and pork contain good amounts of vitamin B12. Chicken and eggs. Although in smaller quantities compared to liver or fish, chicken and eggs also provide vitamin B12. Dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, and other dairy products are good sources of vitamin B12. Fortified foods, For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milks, and supplements are an important alternative for obtaining vitamin B12. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that your body gets the necessary vitamin B12 to maintain good health. Fatigue is undoubtedly one of the most debilitating signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. That constant feeling of tiredness that seems never to end can easily be mistaken for daily exhaustion, but it might actually be a cry for help from your body. When B12 levels are low, red blood cell production is affected, resulting in megaloblastic anemia. This type of anemia causes red blood cells to become large and immature, impairing tissue oxygenation and causing extreme fatigue that no rest seems to alleviate. This deficiency not only impacts the body's energy, but also the mind. People with megaloblastic anemia often report difficulty concentrating, performing simple tasks, or even maintaining a stable emotional state. It's as if a mental fog takes over, making focus and clarity of thought difficult. At this point, it's essential to seek vitamin B12 replenishment, either through supplements or dietary adjustments, to restore the body's and mind's vitality, allowing the person to live fully and with energy again. It's worth noting that megaloblastic anemia can be reversed with appropriate treatment, and the difference in quality of life is noticeable in a short time. So, if you or someone close to you is showing these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. As we continue exploring more about the impact of vitamin B12 on health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful information and share these tips with those who might need them. Headaches are a frequently ignored symptom, but when combined with low vitamin B12 levels, they can signal a more serious problem. The deficiency of this vitamin can contribute to chronic headaches, especially in older adults, where mental impairment also begins to manifest. Those little forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and even mood changes can be signs that the body is asking for more B12. Adequate replenishment of this vitamin has the power not only to relieve headaches, but also to clear the mind, restoring lucidity and mental health. This connection between vitamin B12 and mental health goes beyond headaches. Studies show that people with a deficiency of this vitamin are more likely to develop depression and other mental disorders. Imagine what it would be like to live with a clouded mind, without the energy for things that once brought joy. This is where B12 supplementation can make a significant difference, bringing back clarity, motivation, and general well-being. Don't underestimate the power of a healthy mind, as it is the key to a balanced and productive life. So, if you've been dealing with frequent headaches or have noticed a decline in your mental health, it might be time to investigate your vitamin B12 levels. Remember, prevention is always the best path, and staying informed about your health is crucial. To keep receiving valuable tips on how to take care of your health and well-being, subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone you think could benefit from this information. Shall we continue? Detecting vitamin B12 deficiency can be more complicated than it seems, especially in people taking certain medications, like metformin, used to treat diabetes. This condition can mask the symptoms, leading to incorrect diagnoses and prolonging the suffering. It's essential that the diagnosis is accurate so that appropriate treatment can be started. The importance of regular testing to monitor B12 levels cannot be underestimated, especially if there are persistent and unexplained symptoms. Once diagnosed, treatment is generally simple and effective. It may include oral B12 supplementation or, in more severe cases, injections to ensure adequate absorption of the vitamin. Imagine that, with proper treatment, many of the debilitating symptoms we discussed can disappear, restoring the vitality and quality of life that were lost. This treatment not only restores physical health, but also has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. So, if you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms that may be related to vitamin B12 deficiency, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. And if you found this content useful, subscribe to the channel to keep learning more about how to take care of your health and well-being. Share this video with others so they can also benefit from this valuable information. Shall we continue together on this journey to a healthier life? Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Every step you take to care for yourself is an investment in a longer, fuller, and happier life. Don't underestimate the power of small changes, whether it's adding more nutrient-rich foods to your diet or staying attuned to your body's signals. Every healthy choice you make today builds the foundation for a more vibrant and energetic future. So, keep on this path of self-care, and never forget, you have the power to transform your life. Stay strong, take good care of yourself, and your body and mind will thank you every day. See you next time, and always strive for the best for yourself.